In this Quicken Simplify review, I'm going to be showing you guys if this budgeting app which can manage your finances is actually worth your time. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if Quicken Simplify is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software and courses. If you want to get my number one recommended strategy that has personally helped me to go from 0 to 5,000 to almost $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. So what exactly is Quicken Simplify? So this is basically an app in which you can get it in the Google Play Store or the Google App Store. It's basically you can use this on your phone, so there is no issues with that. Most people don't really use this in their desktop. So what you can do is you can manage your finances. You can know what exactly is your net worth. You can do a budgeting, make sure you don't overspend every single month, so you can know what your subscription, you can know about what the properties you have, you can know all the money that you have saved up, you can know about your investments that you have made. So overall it creates a distinguish between all your assets, liabilities, and also you can know your net worth. And even the subscriptions like Netflix subscription, Amazon Prime subscription, all of that is going to be in this one specific app in which will initially help you to save more money because you're actually tracking all of your goals. So the main purpose of this app is budgeting. So you can always know what's left to spend and save. So you can see in the screenshot it has a very nice interface. You can see you have 1,500 available, you spend about $67 per day. So at the end of the month you will always know what you have left to spend. So suppose you have $1,000 to spend every single month, or if you are a person who is taking credits by the end of the month, you will know what are you spending your money most on or what you're wasting your money most on, and in that way you can have a proper budget with this app. And the cool thing about this app is that it's not really expensive. That's the thing. So it used to be $5.99. Sometimes it's like $4, sometimes it's like $3.99, but for now it's only like $2.99, which is actually pretty cheap, which will end around 3 into 12, which will be anywhere around $36. So $36 per month is not like a lot of money. You can easily pay $36 per year. I'm sorry, it's $2.99 per month, so that's equate to about $36 per year. So it's not really expensive when it comes to the app itself. And also some other things, you can supercharge your future plans. So suppose you have this much amount that's left per month, you can add to your savings account for you guys to actually buy the thing that you want. Maybe it's a house, maybe it's a car. You can keep investing into your savings account to finally buy the things you actually want. Then you have deeper data for smarter financial decisions. So suppose you have investments on crypto, stocks, and all of that, you can have smarter decisions by taking all of this data. You can know and you can diversify all of your stocks, bonds and cryptos properly, so that you don't end up buying too much stocks which are actually not that great. So you don't want to lose your investments, which is why you will have a good data, and you can keep check the datas on the expenses that you're doing every single month. It can be shopping, groceries, dining and drinks, fitness, subscriptions, so anything. So any expenses, you can all have great datas in which you can actually do it. And also you have investments. You can know how much you're worth, what's your portfolio, what's your net worth with these investments. And the thing is that you can connect your investments to the the app itself, which is Quicken Simplify, you don't necessarily have to type in all of your data. You can either do it manually, or you can connect your bank account or your stock market account. So in that way, they will have your investment portfolio or how much money you have in the bank. It will be directly get into the investments. And in that way, it's going to be very easy for you guys to track your expenses, which is great. And then you have you can know the net worth at your fingertips. So it says 300,000 $325,000. So that way you can also know your net worth. And also, guys, I haven't mentioned this, you can also type in your commodities which you have, like gold and silver. Then you can also enter your properties that you have. So anything that you have, all your assets and liabilities, everything you can type in this app, and basically it really helps you with all of that. Then you have views that work for you. You can customize what you see in the app to filter, visualize your most important info. You can do that. You can also get the dark mode feature as well. So those are some of the things you can be doing with this app. It's basically a budgeting app which helps your finances, and it can save you and help you save some money as well. Let's have a look at some of the reviews that other people have said about Quicken. So Quicken has a number of apps that they have that they are providing. So for personal, they have Classic Premier, Classic Deluxe, but this is the app I'm reviewing now. They have some other products as well, but I'm reviewing this. But Quicken as a whole, the reviews of Quicken as a whole is shown right over here. It's not just the Quicken Simplify app. So it has got a review of 3.8 star review, which is actually great, I would say, considering it has almost 44,600 reviews. So anything about 4-star reviews is actually a plus for me. It's a good thing. But unfortunately, it's about 3.8. But considering the 44,600 reviews, I think it's pretty good. So they have a considerable amount of 5-star and 4-star reviews. I don't want to really check into this because you guys can have a look at them. So I haven't told you this, but this product, Quicken is there for quite a lot of time. It's been there for 30 to 40 years. So it's a quite reputable app as well. You can check these reviews if you want, but I would like to check the 1-star reviews. I want to see if there is any pattern that people are actually facing issues on. So I have looked into this already. So the main problem people are facing is that they are actually not able to connect your bank account and this app. So while you're doing that, what happens is when you are connecting your investments and your savings to the Quicken Simplify app, what happens is they don't actually get your investments the correct amount. They are not able to get in your correct exact amount that you have in your investments and into your bank into the Quicken Simplify app. That's the major downfall I see in Quicken. That's what most people are having problems with. They are not getting their investment amounts exactly on the Quicken Simplify app. So they might fix this in the future, but for now they have trouble with the values that are being entered into the Quicken Simplify app. So Quicken Simplify is actually for making your life better, not to make miserable. So with this problem, it's actually making people difficult to actually know their assets, liabilities, and net worth. They are facing a problem like that. But if you enter it manually, you are not going to face this issue. But I think Quicken will fix this soon. These reviews are pretty recent. But overall, I think it's a fantastic app. If you enter it manually, you won't find this issue. Actually, a few amount of people are only facing these kind of issues, but obviously there are issues in some in websites like this. I hope they fix this. So overall, I really do think Quicken Simplify can really help you budget all your finances and your budgeting your expenses and all of that, I think it will come very handy for people if you do it manually. That's it. So even though it actually helps you save your monthly income, it's not necessarily that it's going to make you a lot of money. Yes, definitely you can save money. And if you're still watching this video and if you're looking for a way to make big income online, I would like to suggest you my recommended strategy, which has personally helped me to go from 0 to 5,000 to almost $10,000 per month. If you want to access this absolutely free guide, make sure you click the first link in the description. So that's it, and I hope to see you on another review video.